7 Health benefits of coconut water. 1. Good source of several nutrients. Coconut water is the liquid found in young coconuts and a natural source of several important minerals. 2. May have antioxidant properties. Coconut water contains antioxidants that have shown to be beneficial in research involving rats and mice, but human studies are lacking. 3. May help lower blood sugar for people living with diabetes. Studies on animals with diabetes suggest that coconut water may improve blood sugar control, but more research involving humans needs to be done. 4. May help prevent kidney stones. Early research suggests that water from coconuts may help prevent kidney stones by reducing crystal and stone formation. However, more studies have to be done specifically involving humans. 5. May support heart health. While there is some evidence that coconut water may be good for heart health, more research centering on humans needs to be done. 6. Beneficial after prolonged exercise. Coconut water is effective at replenishing fluids and electrolytes after exercise. It's comparable to other sports beverages. 7. Delicious source of hydration. Coconut water can be consumed directly from green coconuts or bought in bottles. Avoid brands with added sugar, sweeteners, or flavors.